noise out here, y'all. Let me see. Let me see what's going on out here. Yeah, but oh, hey, how you doing?
All right, how you doing?
All right.
Yes, ma'am. I have delivery for you.
Oh, for real? For real?
Yeah. Got you to deliver some of your machines.
All right. Okay. All right. Well, thank you.
Yes,
thank
ma'am.
you.
TshirtChick.
I get you to sign it. It's how you spell it?
S-I-N.
S-I-N.
I-S-S.
That's good enough. Sin's good enough.
Okay, that's what they call me
Let's
anyway.
see. Okay. We saved, and you had 2 of them, and you can just sign there. It don't matter what
Hit
it looks
apply?
like. Right
Oh,
here.
my bad.
Yeah. That's all it is, Miss
Right.
Sin.
Oh, my bad. I was about to hit
Yeah, you
apply.
got it.
All right,
You got
all right.
it.
Thank you. I appreciate
All right.
it.
Hey,
Thank
so y'all just getting started?
No, I actually been doing this for like 12 years, but I was kind of upgrading equipment.
Oh, okay.
Yeah. Y'all pretty much see what's going on. I'm not gonna be able to film the whole thing of uncrating, but we gonna uncrate it, and once we uncrate everything, I'll let y'all check it out. Y'all see, man, your girl is sweating down, and look who I got with me, y'all. I know y'all know that dude right there. He ain't studying y'all though, but y'all, look at this exposure unit. Y'all see how huge that is? This exposure unit is huge. This exposure unit is huge. I did not know it was going to be that big. I should have measured it, but it looked like it can take the automatic screens. There's the other equipment over there. We still outside. It's 2 hours in, y'all. It's 2 hours in and we still uncrating the bad boy. So we gonna be uncrating for another maybe 2 more hours, and then I'm gonna come try to put everything together tonight or early in the morning. But yeah, that's what everything looking like right there so far. And look, y'all see, your girl got this little cheap drill. My drill thing is charging right there. My drill is up over there behind Rion, right there. My little cheap drill, the battery keep dying on it. But we gonna get it done tonight. We gotta get it in here so nobody won't come pick it up. Woo! Y'all, that was a job. I'm telling you. That was a job. The people came. It is now 6:50. The time is now 6:50. 6:50, y'all. It's 6:50, y'all. And look, I look like I done got darker, cause it was hot out there. I was dripping in sweat. 6:50, y'all. But I'm loving what I'm looking at. I'm loving what I'm seeing back behind this camera, but that y'all can't see right now. I'm loving what I'm seeing. We gonna see what these two colors look like together. But woo! Your girl is back. I'm telling you, your girl is back. Y'all want to see what everything looking like? Y'all make sure y'all hit the thumbs up button if y'all want to see what everything looks like. I don't have it set up yet, but I can show y'all. I don't know. It depends on how many thumbs up I get. Y'all go ahead and start hitting the thumbs up right now on this video, and then we gonna see if I can show y'all in a sneak peek video. But yeah, I still got some wood up in here, like right here, wood over here, cause my mom them are crafters. They can make all kind of things. They can make all kind of things, and let me see. They can make all kind of things, and they want. Let me get back in here, and they want this wood, so I kept this wood for them, y'all. But whoo, your girl put some work in today. I'm telling you. Let me get over here where the good light is. Alright, that's better. That's better. Your girl been had the camera on the wrong settings and I ain't even looked until now. But yeah, look, your girl put some work in today for real. I have put some work in. My family have put some work in. If it wasn't for all of us, we wouldn't have been able to get it. I had my uncle, I had Pops, one of his friends, my mom, my cousin, my son for a little while, but he didn't do much. So we had like 7 people, for real, 7 people. And I'm telling you, it is looking nice. It's looking nice up in here. For real, it's looking nice, y'all. Y'all have to wait till the next video to see it, though. Y'all have to wait till the next video to see it. Y'all, I appreciate y'all watching, and if y'all want to see what everything look like up in here, y'all gonna have to wait till the next video. And I appreciate y'all watching. Prince Squad out. Right. No, I ain't gonna do y'all like that. I ain't gonna do y'all. Yeah, I'm gonna do y'all like that. Your girl gonna do y'all like that. Y'all gonna have to wait till the next video. Prince Squad out.